Monday, November 4th, 1:03 p.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, winning Wall Street's money. In this video, I'm going to discuss commodities, the metal category of commodities. We'll look at multiple time frames so you get a better perspective of the individual assets. We'll look at gold, silver, platinum, and copper. Give you a little insight. Commodities, the different metals have different industrial usage. Well, we know gold is for jewelry. Gold is also for high tech. Silver is for high tech. Copper is for a lot of industrial use, from utilities to appliances. Yeah, they all have multiple uses, not just jewelry. The demand for metals has been increasing because technology has been changing. As you have more electric vehicles, electric cars, electric trucks, the power supply for them also needs copper, those charging stations. Also, as having more housing, you have more appliances that use copper. Mm-hmm. But again, you can do research on your own to see the need for these metals for technology. I just gave you a little bit more detail specifically on copper. The other part of commodity metals, you buy and hold them if that's what you're doing for investing. Well, you're not earning income on them. You might have gains on them. First, if you're buying a fixed income like bonds or notes, you're earning income. So people are looking for safe haven products. They might consider several different assets. One could be, again, your fixed income products, your bonds, your notes, your CDs. Some people go to utility stocks that pay dividends. So if you're looking to do a long-term investment on metals, it may not be the best thing to be heavily leveraged, heavily invested in those. If you're looking to increase your wealth, but not sell them at some point in time, because again, the trends don't continue. So first, we're going to look at a 20-year history of gold. Again, this is 20 years of history. And each of these candlesticks represents a month. We're in the month of November. We just started that a few days ago. So looking here at gold futures, here's the low back here in 2005. Here's the high, 2024. So looking from here, this is the year 2011. You had a decline for several years. Yep. The value depreciated. Then look at this, a consolidation for several years. First, if you were fixed income products, they were paying bonds, notes, again, or equities that were paying dividends, you were earning income. Got it? So again, gold, all-time highs this year. Gold has the best liquidity in the futures market, followed second by silver. Right off the bat, look at silver. Here's the high of 2024 this year. It is not an all-time high. That all-time high was back here in 2011. Here's the low. So again, difference performing between these two. Platinum with the high all the way back here, 2008. Here's the low, 2020. So the low is more recent than gold and silver. And look at this year, tight consolidation, the high this year, the low this year. We are inside the range of last year, inside the range of 2022. Had a huge consolidation here. It's not trending. This is a trend. That's a trend. This is a trend. Yeah. Yep. Would have been nice if we bought it here and rolled that big trend up. First buying here. There's better assets to be invested in. Now let's look at copper. Here's the low, 2004. Here's the high for this year. So similarity in gold and copper both made all-time new highs this year. Again, looking at all these, let's zoom in. Gold, silver, platinum, copper. Gold very close to the highs of last month with the all-time high. Same with silver, near the highs of this year. But again, we know gold is all-time high, silver is not. Nope. And we already saw platinum, struggling all the way down here, and copper. So again, they are not all performing the same, not over the 20-year history. Let's take it to a lower time frame, into the weeklies. Same four assets. We're looking at a 5-year history, 5 years here, each candlestick's a week, and gold. Again, here's the low, 2020. Here's the high. So again, gold, here's the whole low for this year. Nice run up. Beginning of this year, gold, huge consolidation, breakout, trend consolidation, another big trend. And the past week, look at that. Gold, bearish pin bar. After the high, sold off. And currently for this week, we haven't taken out the high or low yet. Nope. Silver, here's the low for the past 5 years. Here's the high right here. Silver for the past 2 weeks. But now we're in the third week right here at the green candle. Making lower lows. We already took out the low of last week. Yep. Today's the first trading day. Already took out the low. So silver trending down. Whereas gold, this week, still inside the range of last week. So sell-off already is occurring in silver. Platinum. Here's the low for the past 5 years. Here's the high. Here's the high for this year. In October, look at that. Couldn't even make it up there. And currently this week, we're already trending down. Broke below the low of last week. That's platinum. Copper, here's the low for the last 5 years. Here's the high. October high, failed to go higher. And with this consolidation down there. Smaller trading ranges too. Show you another perspective. Through multiple time frames. Gold, 3 grids. The far right is monthly. 5 years, the middle is the weekly. 1 year, and the left, daily, 3 months. So again, we already see the new month for gold here, currently inside candle. Weekly inside candle. And daily, we broke below the low of Friday. So I already labeled my sweet spots, potential trade ideas. I have set up. We'll see how things turn out. That's gold. Let's go to silver. Silver monthly, silver weekly, and silver daily. Yep, silver today already broke below the low Friday. And look at that, very close to the bottom of the sweet spot. I also labeled one up here. We have not tested that yet, right there, that midpoint. So potential trade ideas I have off these levels. If you'd like to have early access to my videos, I have a subscriber page. I use Patreon for small donations. I have several tier levels. You join the Patreon page, you get access the same day to my videos, a lot more great content. Thank you as always, spending just a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.